Hey, good afternoon, y'all. Well, we're doing the redo on our rig, and this is the final piece to the puzzle. So we're gonna go put that together and show you how it goes. Stick around, because we're gonna do it. Let's get it going. All right, y'all, well, we got the package back home, which is a key piece to our reno here. And we'll start the unboxing and focus in a little bit on putting it together. So we'll see y'all in the house. Okay, y'all, we are going to put this last major piece of the puzzle together and get this redo underway. Let's do it. Okay, looks like we about got this thing done. So now we're going to set it up and you'll see what we got done here. So here we go. We're going to go this way and stand it up. Set it down. Okay, y'all. We're getting this all done, getting it wrapped up here. And this will be our new office. But also too, we tried to make it aesthetically pleasing because this is also our living room. And that's why we got the chairs we'll show you all in just a minute. Okay, let's flip it up this way. Just walk, and then just walk it around. I need to come out from behind here. We'll have to set it down and then slide it in. Okay. Because it's as wide as the gap. Yep. Okay, just set it down. We do need to have it on the rug though. Huh, look at that. Ta-da! Okay, let's get our chairs. Just slide underneath.
There's Dolly.
She's back behind you.
Oh.
Boy, look at that. Just slide it on the rug. Okay, y'all. What do y'all think? All done, got us a new office, looking good. All right, well, if you like this video and this how-to video and a little bit of remodeling that's going on, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. It sure helps us out. Thanks a bunch, y'all.
Thank you.